Hello, little minions. It's me, Bo Shevasu. I do not want to have my door going up and down with solar because the light changes. And this is the absolute one that you need to get because it is based off of time. So you can see that I am simulating the current time right there is 1634 or 4:34. And I just had it open at 16:34. It should close within the next minute so we can simulate that. Obviously, these times are gonna be morning and then evening. And then of course, that's the time right there. It's super, super easy to set. And I'll show you exactly how to set this thing after I actually show you an unboxing. So I got two. First, to show you exactly how it opens and closes, how quiet it is, as well as actually showing you how easy it is to change the batteries as opposed to the run chicken, which is something that is about 3 times the price of this thing. And it's an absolute pain to change the batteries on that. This, you saw how easy it was to open and close that. Now, as we're waiting for the time for this to actually close, oh, hey, oh, there it goes. It's been about a minute. Look at that. That is pretty cool. That works nicely. In case you're wondering, yes, it is flat on this side so that you can put it right up against the, in my particular case, I just use zip ties there, and there. But it also does come with actual wood screws and a little screwdriver as well, which is awfully cute. But let's go ahead and unbox this thing so that you see exactly what comes with this and how easy it is to actually put together. And so you can see that it has foam here, there, and then pretty much just whoop, there we go. And just like that, you are ready to go, except of course for installing batteries. And you may be like, uh-oh, it only came with 2. No, don't be alarmed because there's the last one right there. And then of course I already showed you the screwdriver and the wood screws. And so how you put these things in, heck, I could even do it with one hand. So you open it up like that and then just pop them in like so. And then we're gonna do the same with these once I open it up. And then to close it, it does have like a little rubber ring around the edge. So it does actually stay watertight because here in the Pacific Northwest, you want to keep battery compartments actually rubber tight. Now, lastly, before I let you go, I promised to actually show you how you adjust the time on this thing. And so let's say that the current time is, so you just select that. And let's say it is 5 p.m. and it's a 24-hour clock, so you have to do military time. And I promised you that it is 5 p.m. And so you just adjust it like so until it is in fact 1700. And there we go. And then for the open, you just select this right here. Just scroll to the open, same thing, up, down. And then for the close, scroll, up, down, super, super easy. And then it's locked in. It's 5 o'clock. It'll open at 16:34, close at 16:35. Adjust these however you'd like. Isn't that just so cool? Absolutely excited. Oh, by the way, in case you're wondering why I really got 2, to be honest with you guys, well, one's for the chicken door. The other, I'm actually gonna be using for our cat door. They don't need to go out in the middle of the night between midnight and 4 p.m. And I needed something with a timer to open and close and to keep the cat door closed at that time. So this is going to be actually installed on the outside of our cat door so they can't get out at night because we've had a stray cat come in at around 3 a.m. And so during the night, it is gonna be locked down and closed, and only this thing right here will actually prevent that stray cat from getting in our house and spraying everywhere, which is really disgusting. Yeah, but that's why I got 2. One for the cat door, one for the actual chicken pen.